Right now, our Immigration Sentiment API is showing a sentiment score of 0, with momentum also flat at 0. This unusual stability is striking when you consider the typical fluctuations and the 20 semantic clusters we've identified. It suggests a moment of pause, where opinions are neither swinging positively nor negatively. You might be wondering how to leverage this data. Imagine building a dashboard that tracks immigration sentiment trends over time. This could provide critical insights for policymakers or organizations in the immigration sector, allowing them to adjust strategies based on the current climate. To dive deeper into how this API can enhance your applications, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.